We're at Hickory Ridge Golf Course in Carbondale, Illinois. They had a riser spillway pipe that was leaking and their pond wasn't holding enough water to irrigate the course, so they reached out to us to see if we had a solution and determined that it was something we could actually do with Snap-Tite and Spirolite pipe.
Ryan reached out, said he was actually going to be in the area a couple weeks away for a bid opening for a culvert job, and said, I'd love to come down and see you and see what you're talking about. He said, we know about golf courses, we have background in that. So he showed up, we went out there, he knew exactly when he looked at it, this was something that they could take care of, showed me some of the products and the pictures. We started the bid process, and about 7 or 8 months later we were rolling. We were looking for an innovative solution to solve this problem. We have CMP in the ground like a lot of places do. It was kind of crumbling after 30 years. The diameters we were talking about out there, I was looking for a solution where we didn't have to dig up our dam and irrigation wire, shut the course down, and just happened to stumble upon this in back of one of the trade magazines. To think that the guys just showed up on site a couple days ago, and I just was down at the job site, and they're finishing up with the plastic portion of it. They're going to be doing grouting in the next couple days. I really think, 5 days from the time I met them to the time they're going to be leaving. So we wouldn't even be close to that if we were doing CMP again.